So the wing's back on, 100 times way better. Fuck, look at that.
Next minute.
So got a defect for the car. Boom! So what is up, guys? Today we're gonna be cruising around and just hiking around or whatever. But before we do that, I'm gonna put on my wing on my car. Jay's Racing. In the other videos you probably saw these black brackets or whatever. That's actually for the wing. I actually had the wing on before this car and then I took it off. So basically we just got to take off these bolts here. We've got to attach this bracket here, I don't know if you can see it right here, onto the actual car, and then the wing should stay on. So let's get installing. So the wing's back on, 100 times way better. Fuck, look at that. Damn, 100 times way better. Oh, but this is like calling the cops. They're like, hey, come get me, I'm here. You know? But fuck, it looks sick. Alright, so now to the car wash. So I just finished the car wash. Fuck, the car's looking sick with the wing, look at that. Woo! Woo! Here's a view from the front. Damn! Damn! So we just got pulled over. Put the big wang on, I told you, man. It's calling the cops, bro. Oh, but this is like calling the cops. They're like, hey, come get me, I'm here. You know?
He's like, oh boy, and we almost stay, bro. How long? 6 minutes, 5 minutes?
Yeah, we got pulled over by the cops. Shit. So basically he said it was like, you can't metal on it and the brackets are metal. The top is carbon but the brackets are metal. So we're not allowed to have that. He's just doing some license check and shit. And then yeah, catch you guys then. But yeah. Boom! So this is day 2 here. How's everyone doing? So I got some good news and some bad news. So first of all, I'll give you the good news. I got the Jay's Racing wing on, which it's looking 100 times way better. It's looking sick. It makes the car look way better. Probably just missing a rear diffuser, but the wing makes it look good. Like, look at this. Car's a bit dirty from the road trip the other day, but look at that wing. I don't know if you can see it from there, but look at that. Look how big that wang is. Big wang gang. Alright, so that was the good news. Put the wing on, the car looks way better. Also, I got a sick ass award from the police officers for my big wang, and here it is. Look at that. The award they gave me was a defective vehicle award. So literally that was the bad news I was gonna say. So after explaining to me why he pulled me over, he gave me a defective notice, that yellow sticker you saw, which means my car is not deemed to be road safe or road legal. So I got about 7 days to get the car fixed and go to a mechanic and get the certificate for a roadworthy, so that my car can be deemed to be road legal and road safe. So here's the Jay's Racing wing, for those who don't know, it came with the car when I bought it, but I just never put it on. And then the one time I put it on, I got caught. But look, damn, it's way better. Like, look, damn. And basically, the car's probably gonna be stock back to normal, because I'm gonna be needing to take off the wheels, exhaust, which I've just done like a week or two ago, take off the wing, take off the splitter, maybe the side skirts, and maybe the coilovers. So basically the car's going back to stock. So basically what the cop said when he pulled me over was the spoiler can't be metal. He said that it has to break easy. So the top is carbon and then the metal brackets over here are metal, and he caught me out on that. That's why I'm not allowed to have this wing on. So here's the car without the spoiler again. Ayo, ayo, it was 100 times way better of the spoiler. So the car was hella dirty. Just gonna quickly wash it and then catch you guys then. Alright, so just finished washing the car. It's looking clean. It's still looking sick without the wing. So tomorrow I'm gonna go get the certificate, and if it doesn't pass, it doesn't pass, and if it passed, that's sick. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow after I find out if I get the certificate or not. Ooh, so yeah, got the defect notice removed. So the car is basically stock now. Took off everything besides the carbon fiber side skirts. Even took off the exhaust I installed like 2 weeks ago. So here's a little clip from before when I quickly did a tour around the stock S2K game. So yeah, here's the car basically stock. So that was the car stock again. So that's gonna do it for today's video. There wasn't much in today's video. It was basically me just getting pulled over and a quick car wash. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, remember to like, comment and subscribe. Laters. This is like calling the cops. They're like, hey, come get me, I'm here.
Nick, minute.